Last year, undoubtedly, was the year of NFT. And with this year showing no signs of slowing down, many are asking, how do you buy Solana NFT art? Solana's attractive features include lower gas fees, higher energy efficiency, and high scalability, all of which led more creators and collectors to Sol art. Why get into Sol art? Unsurprisingly, Solana NFT came under the limelight in 2021. What's more, the growing interest in Sol art resulted in massive gains for its native cryptocurrency, Solana Sol. In a year's time, SOL value rose by nearly 9,500%, according to Business Insider. To put things in perspective, with just a $150 investment in SOL at the beginning of 2021, you'd have ended up with over $14,000 by the end of 2021. Not to mention the sales of several Solana NFT for millions of dollars. A degenerate ape NFT sold for around $1.1 million in September, marking the network's first $1 million NFT sale. This was followed by the $2 million sales of a Solana monkey the next month. Reportedly, between August and November 2021, Solana NFT secondary sales hit $500 million. In September alone, it raked in $189.4 million. Even if you look at the top blockchains by NFT sales volume in the past 30 days, Solana takes the third spot, only behind Ethereum and Ronin, as per Crypto Slam rankings. While Ethereum remains the dominant NFT market leader today, Solana has begun to carve out its space within the NFT landscape. Messari research analyst Mason Nystrom noted in a tweet, "All these points toward the tremendous opportunities in the Solana NFT ecosystem. Besides, NFT on Solana are more affordable than those on Ethereum, making it especially attractive for new investors." With Solana's upward trend likely to continue in 2022, we'll tell you how you can invest in Sol art. How to buy Solana NFT. Before you can buy Sol art, you need three things: a Solana wallet, some SOL, and a Solana marketplace. 1. Set up a Solana wallet. Since Solana NFT are on the Solana blockchain, Ethereum wallets like MetaMask are not compatible. If you send SOL to MetaMask, it's pretty much gone forever. Instead, what you need is a Solana wallet like Phantom, Solflare, or Solid. Of these, Phantom is the most popular. Think of it like MetaMask of the Solana world. 2. You'll need some SOL for your NFT. Here's how to buy it next. You'll need some SOL to buy Solana NFT from marketplaces. You can simply buy SOL from a supported exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or FTX and send it to your wallet. Alternatively, you can add a stable coins to Phantom and exchange them for SOL within the wallet. 3. Find a Solana marketplace to buy Sol art. Now, you know how to buy SOL. You'll need an NFT marketplace to buy your first Sol NFT on. For this, there are several Solana-based marketplaces you can browse. The most popular option is Solanart, which offers curated NFT collections like Degenerate Ape Academy, Aurori, Sol Punks, and Galactic Gecko Space Garage. To date, it has generated a total sales volume of 4.5 million SOL. Digital Eyes is another Solana marketplace featuring collections like the hit Solana Monkey Business and Fract. You can also check out the open NFT marketplace, SolSea. Sol art, upcoming Solana NFT projects to watch in 2022. Now you know how to buy Solana NFT. The question is, which do you want? With Solana NFT collections hotting up, there are plenty of options to choose from. But not all are great. Some are just copycats of Ethereum NFT. When considering which Sol art project to invest in, bear the following projects in mind. Shadowy Supercoder, the top Sol art project. Shadowy Supercoder is currently the top Solana NFT project with a market cap of around $190 million. At the time of writing, the collection of 10,000 NFT is the brainchild of the startup, Genesis Go, a blockchain infrastructure project. It all started when U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren called blockchain developers a shadowy, faceless group of supercoders and miners. As a retort to the comment, Genesis Go developed Shadowy Supercoder to encourage people to create more NFT. The NFT feature different attributes such as outfit, background, tabletop, and various monitor screen combinations. Moreover, all NFT holders will receive $10,000 SHTW tokens for every NFT they own. Boreoku Dragons. Boreoku Dragons is a limited collection of 1,111 dragons NFT set in the post-apocalyptic world in the year 4269. Every day, all holders will get 7 Boku tokens, the collection's native cryptocurrency. This makes holding the Dragon NFT a great means to earn a passive income. Besides, the collection comes with utilities such as daily token airdrops and a breeding game where you can breed 2 dragons using some Boku to receive a dragon egg. If you're wondering how to buy these Solana NFT, they are available on both Digital Eyes and Magic Eden. Currently, the floor price is 169 SOL. Degenerate Ape Academy. Another collection on the Solana blockchain is Degenerate Ape Academy. It includes 10,000 smoothest brained apes, purchasing which gets you exclusive access to the Academy, meaning plenty of utilities. For one, owners of rare twin, triplet, and quadruplet apes can breed them to get new apes. Secondly, holders can join the Degen DAO to earn a passive income by staking SOL. What's more, you can elect a student council to make proposals for the community. The remarkable 3D artwork makes the NFT an excellent choice for fans of Solana NFT art. At the current prices, a Degen ape will cost you an average of 40.2 SOL. Catalina Whale Mixer. Another great Solana NFT project to watch in 2022 is Catalina Whale Mixer. It features 5,555 unique whale NFT algorithmically generated from more than 165 traits, including the mouth, species, hat, clothing, and more. According to the website, Catalina whales are aggressive, passionate, a touch to generate with a lust for success. Holders of these Sol NFT get several perks such as exclusive beach airdrops and mints. Not only that, they also receive entry to an exclusive Solana NFT community. While the collection dropped at a mint price of 1 SOL, today, the floor is at 11.3 SOL. Certified Solana Blue Chip Project. Solana Monkey Business. When considering how to buy Solana NFT and which to choose, Solana Monkey Business, SMB, needs no introduction. The Certified Blue Chip Project consists of 5,000 randomly generated monkeys that come with benefits such as a community wallet, a future voting system, and an exclusive SMB merch. Need another reason to get yourself a Solana monkey. Celebrities like Steve Harvey have also endorsed the project. But obviously, the monkeys won't be easy on your pocket. Today, a single NFT from the project costs an average of 182.4 SOL. Aurora is an SOL art project like no other. How you buy Solana NFT is up to you, however. If you are planning to get into an exciting Solana-based play-to-earn game this year, then Aurora is your answer. Set in the virtual world of Antic and Cryptos, the gameplay revolves around tradable magical creatures, called NPC and NFTs. You can use these characters to participate in a bunch of different game modes. So, what's the play-to-earn element? Ori dollar tokens. You can earn these tokens by playing in different game modes and then trade them on exchanges. In addition, these Solana NFT holders get governance rights in the game. At the time of writing, the game's market cap was at $36 million, with a floor price of 20.9 SOL. Galactic Gecko Space Garage. Another interesting Sol art project to keep an eye on is Galactic Gecko Space Garage, GGSG. Basically, it is an NFT social adventure club on Solana that features 10,000 space racing geckos. Buying a Gecko NFT will get you into the most elite, fierce, and thrill-seeking club in the universe. Being a club member means you get exclusive access to giveaways, meetups, merch, and more. The Solana NFT art collection launched in September 2021 at a mint price of 2 SOL each. Now the floor is at 7.1 SOL. You can buy the Gecko NFT either from GGSG's own marketplace or from FTX, Datas, or Solanart. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.